How to change language on Temu.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how you can easily change your display language setting in the Temu.com website using your computer or your laptops. First things first, launch open any web browser and type in Temu.com in the URL box and search. Also make sure that you're logged into your Temu.com account by entering your login credentials. After you're inside the home page of Temu, go ahead and mouse over to the language option at the top right, which is currently English in my case. Now from the language option, select any available languages from the list. Right after you do that, your website will refresh and the display will now be changed to your chosen language preference. You can always translate the page by clicking Translate at the top right corner after selecting one of your translation language. So right there, you know how you can easily change your display language setting on Temu.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.